Our planet, viewed from the vast expanse of space, is a breathtaking blue sphere, a testament to the life-giving waters that dominate its surface. It's a world where the ocean reigns supreme, a realm of immense power and profound mystery. From space, Earth is a swirling marble of deep blue and white clouds, a dynamic canvas painted by the interplay of water and atmosphere. These swirling patterns hint at the complex processes unfolding beneath the surface, in the hidden depths of our oceans. This immense ocean covers over 70% of the planet, shaping our climate, driving weather patterns, and sustaining life as we know it. It's the engine of our world, the source of our rain, and the cradle of countless ecosystems. Yet, despite its vital role and overwhelming presence, it remains our greatest unknown. The deep sea in particular holds secrets that have eluded us for centuries. We have mapped the moon and Mars in greater detail than our own ocean floor, a stark reminder of how much remains to be discovered in our own backyard. We've gazed at distant stars, while neglecting the wonders hidden beneath our waves. More than 80% of our ocean is still unmapped and unexplored, a vast dark realm teeming with potential discoveries. It's a frontier as challenging and exciting as any in the cosmos. Imagine, 4/5 of this world is a blank space on our charts, a tantalizing void waiting to be filled with knowledge. These uncharted territories represent a treasure trove of scientific understanding, waiting to be unlocked. The deep sea is a frontier of depth, not distance, and we have only just begun to explore it. With each new submersible dive, we push the boundaries of human knowledge and venture into the unknown. Beneath the waves lies a landscape as dramatic as any on land, a world of towering formations and hidden valleys sculpted by the forces of nature over millennia, mountain ranges rising from the abyssal plains like silent giants, abyssal plains stretching out in seemingly endless underwater deserts and trenches deeper than Everest is tall, plunging into the Earth's crust with unimaginable force. This is not a barren wasteland, but a dynamic world teeming with life in unexpected places, thriving in the absence of sunlight and under immense pressure. The ocean represents 99% of the living space on Earth, home to countless undiscovered species, each adapted to the unique challenges of their environment. Every dive into the deep is a journey into the unknown, with the potential to find life forms that challenge our understanding of biology and the limits of survival. The age of exploration is far from over. It has simply moved beneath the waves, beckoning us to uncover the secrets hidden in the depths of our planet's last great frontier. For centuries we've searched the stars, peering into the vast expanse of the cosmos, hoping to find evidence of life beyond our planet. We've pointed our telescopes towards distant galaxies, listening for signals, seeking any sign that we are not alone in the universe. But what if I told you that the strangest, most alien creatures aren't light years away, but right here on Earth, hidden in the crushing depths of the deep sea? The deep ocean is a realm of eternal night, a world untouched by sunlight where darkness reigns supreme. It's a place of crushing pressure and freezing cold, conditions more extreme than many planets we've explored. Imagine a place where the water is constantly near freezing, and the weight of the ocean above bears down with unimaginable force. Sunlight cannot reach these depths. By 1,000 meters down there is only absolute darkness, a perpetual twilight that fades into an impenetrable black. No light penetrates this far, leaving the inhabitants to navigate a world without sun. Life here has evolved in extraordinary ways, adapting to the extreme conditions in remarkable and often bizarre forms. The result is the producing of creatures that seem otherworldly, like something straight out of science fiction. The pressure is immense, equivalent to the weight of 50 jumbo jets bearing down on every square inch at the deepest points. Yet life thrives, defying all expectations. Deep-sea animals have bodies built to withstand these forces, their cells and structures uniquely adapted to function under such intense strain. They possess incredible adaptations that defy imagination, showcasing the power of evolution in the face of extreme adversity. This world is more mysterious and less accessible than the moon, a testament to the challenges of deep-sea exploration. Only a handful of people have visited the ocean's deepest trenches, venturing into the abyss where few have gone before. The deep sea blurs the line between science and myth, a realm where reality often surpasses the wildest tales. It's a place that is constantly challenging our understanding of biology and physics, forcing us to rethink what is possible. Each expedition reveals new mysteries and life forms, adding to the ever-growing catalog of deep-sea wonders. The deeper we go, the stranger it becomes, the more alien the landscape, and the more bizarre the creatures we encounter. The ocean's depths are our planet's true alien world, a place of endless fascination and untold secrets. Our descent begins into the mesopelagic zone, a realm also known as the twilight zone. It's a world suspended between the sunlit surface and the inky blackness of the abyss below. We're embarking on a journey into a region where light and shadow dance in an eternal ballet. This fascinating layer stretches from approximately 200 to 1,000 meters deep, marking a significant transition in the ocean's ecosystem. Here, the last traces of sunlight filter down, creating a dim blue glow. It's a light that's too faint to support plant life through photosynthesis, yet it's enough to cast long, eerie shadows and create haunting silhouettes against the blue backdrop. The creatures that inhabit this zone are masters of camouflage, perfectly adapted to their dimly lit environment. Many possess silvery bodies that act like mirrors, reflecting the scarce light and making them difficult to spot. Their thin, elongated shapes further aid in their evasion tactics, allowing them to slip away from predators unnoticed. Some, like the aptly named hatchetfish, employ a sophisticated strategy known as counter-illumination. They have glowing undersides, bioluminescent bellies that emit a soft light, carefully calibrated to match the faint sunlight filtering from above. This ingenious adaptation effectively erases their silhouette, making them virtually invisible to predators looking up. This zone is also the stage for the planet's largest daily migration. As darkness falls, billions of animals, from tiny zooplankton to larger fish and squid, rise from the depths to feed in the upper layers of the ocean. Then, as dawn approaches, they retreat back to the relative safety of the twilight zone. This incredible daily movement plays a crucial role in transporting vital nutrients and carbon from the surface waters down to the deep-sea ecosystems, fueling the food web in these otherwise barren environments. Even in this dim world, predators lurk. Hunters like the fearsome viperfish use bioluminescent lures, dangling glowing appendages, to attract unsuspecting prey in the gloom. The dragonfish takes this a step further, possessing the remarkable ability to produce red light. This is invisible to most deep-sea creatures, giving the dragonfish a secret advantage, allowing it to spot and ambush prey without being detected. The Twilight Zone is truly a world of phantoms and predators, a realm where survival depends on adaptation and cunning. Every creature here is perfectly sculpted by evolution to thrive in the dim and challenging conditions. Survival in this environment is a constant game of hide-and-seek, a delicate dance between predator and prey. As we continue our descent, plunging deeper into the ocean's embrace, we'll witness how life becomes even more alien, more bizarre, and more wondrous. Beyond the Twilight Zone, in perpetual darkness, a new kind of light emerges: bioluminescence. Up to 90% of deep-sea creatures can produce their own light. The abyss is alive with flashes and glows, a silent underwater light show. Bioluminescence is used for hunting, like the anglerfish's glowing lure, and for defense, such as the vampire squid's glowing mucus. It's also a language many species use unique light patterns to find mates and communicate. Lanternfish have species-specific light barcodes along their bodies. Some shrimp spew bright fluid to blind predators, while jellyfish like Atolla wyvilla use flashing displays to attract bigger predators and escape. In the deep, light is survival, used to hunt, hide, and communicate. This living light is the heartbeat of the abyss. In the darkness, bioluminescence is life's most creative tool. Below 1,000 meters lies the Midnight Zone, a world of total darkness near freezing temperatures and crushing pressure. Once thought lifeless, it's now known to host resilient creatures adapted to extreme conditions. Food is scarce, mostly drifting down as marine snow from above. Animals here move slowly, conserving energy with soft bodies and fragile bones. Many have enormous mouths and expandable stomachs like the gulper eel and black swallower, ready to eat anything they find. Senses other than sight become vital. Lateral lines detect vibrations and keen smell helps find food or mates. Survival is a delicate balance of patience and opportunity. In this slow-motion world, endurance is everything. The Midnight Zone's inhabitants are ultimate survivors, thriving where life seems impossible. Here, every adaptation is a response to darkness and scarcity. The deep ocean is a testament to life's resilience. Even in the coldest, darkest places, life finds a way. The anglerfish is the deep sea's most iconic predator with a glowing lure and a cavernous mouth. Its bioluminescent bait, powered by bacteria, draws prey close, then its jaws snap shut in an instant. The anglerfish's mating strategy is just as strange. Tiny males fuse to females, becoming permanent sources of sperm. Around hydrothermal vents, life thrives without sunlight. Giant tube worms host bacteria that turn toxic chemicals into energy. These vent communities, discovered only in 1977, revealed new ways life can exist. Recent discoveries include the giant phantom jelly with 10-meter-long arms, seen only a handful of times. Each deep-sea dive brings the chance to find new, bizarre species. The deep ocean is a library of biological innovation. We have only begun to explore its pages. Every discovery rewrites what we know about life on Earth. The deep ocean is a refuge for both new life and ancient survivors. The coelacanth, once thought extinct, was found alive in 1938. A living fossil from the age of dinosaurs. Its discovery raises the question, what else might be hiding in the abyss? The ocean's vastness keeps its secrets well. Mysterious sounds like the bloop have sparked speculation about unknown creatures, though many are later explained. The deep is an acoustic puzzle, with sounds traveling vast distances and often defying explanation. These mysteries fuel our curiosity and remind us how little we know. The abyss keeps its secrets, offering only fleeting clues to what lies beneath. The Mariana Trench is the ocean's deepest point, a scar in the Pacific nearly 11,000 meters deep. Its lowest point, Challenger Deep, is so deep that Mount Everest would be submerged by over a kilometer of water. The pressure here is over 1,000 times that at sea level, yet life persists. Unique organisms like giant amoebas and ghostly snailfish thrive in these extreme conditions. Life in the trench forces us to rethink the limits of biology and the possibility of life on other worlds. For every answer, new questions arise. How do these creatures survive? What else lives here? We have explored more of Mars than the trench's depths. Each expedition samples only a tiny fraction of this vast world. The ocean's depths are a mirror to our curiosity and fears. What else waits in the cold, silent dark? We simply do not know. Thanks for watching. This is Gratiyard, where mystery meets the deep. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and dive with us again.